2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.